Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I just came back from the beach show in London and just wanted to show you quickly what I got. I think overall I was a bit disappointed. I think I went with too high expectations because it was the first bead show I attended and there was a lot of stands. There was a lot of people. Sometimes you just had to queue up to look at things and but I think some of the things were very expensive. Maybe I just got spoiled by online shopping and I just ended up buying a lot of glass beads and some of Nymo. And my biggest disappointment was I wanted a big spool of Nymo. I'm really looking for big spools of gray in size D and B, but I just seem to not find them anywhere. I was like, why? I mean, you got tons of beads, but there was a lot of Fireline, but they are expensive. But let's just go ahead and see what I got. So as I said, I got a lot of glass beads, like Chinese crystals, and I thought this one's pretty good. It's like green amber tone. I don't know if they're 10 mm or 12. I think they're 10. But I thought I could do something with it and they seemed really good quality. All the beads I got, like in string, they were £1 each, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then I got another one in like yellowish amber tone. I thought they just look pretty cute. So I got 2 of those. And then these were £1 each and they're really long strands and they're like frosted glass beads. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them, but I just thought, you know, that's a good deal. I can't pass by on a good deal. And I don't know how many beads. I think it's like 100, 150 beads in a strand. And I got another one in blue, in turquoise. And they're just so cute. I think they're 4 mm. I don't think they're 6 mm. I don't know. Anyways, I will still measure them all and, you know, remove from strands and put them in bottles. I prefer all my beads in bottles. I don't like them hanging around. And then I got this 6 mm bicones because I made a bracelet, you know, flat spiral bracelet, and I made it with a 6 mm bicones, and I thought I needed more to show you how I did that because I think the spiral bracelet looks great with this. And it's really nice green color. What do you call it, olivine or something. And then I just got some rondelles. It was a small strand, but I thought it's still good for £1. It's like really baby pink crystal. It's pretty. And then I got, I think these are 6 mm round faceted beads. Good quality as well. It's quite a long strand on this one. And then I got the same, but in amber tone. So I thought, you know, I could maybe do something. So as you can see, it's all greens, and here's another rondelle green. I thought it was really pretty. I haven't done any tutorials with rondelles or Chinese crystals yet, so I have to cover that because they're most affordable beads. And if you bead a lot like me, sometimes, you know, going for Swarovski Czech is sometimes very pricey. And then I bought this strand of glass beads. Most of the time in this kind of big beads you have to use in stringing, but you know, I had an idea in my head to do some weaving with it, around it rather, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not because it's really heavy, but they're so cute. This one was £5 a strand. I thought it's still good price, and it's like really chunky. Even if I bought it online, you know, I would have to pay quite a lot for shipping because it's heavy, but it's really pretty colors. So I got that. And then there was another stand with a lot of crystals for £1 each, and I got 14 strands there, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I thought this one's really pretty, like pearly white AB. I don't know, I think these are 8 by 6 or something. I have to measure them, so because, you know, in my tutorials I have to tell you what kind of beads I used, but I don't have this kind of white. I don't have many rondelles like Chinese crystals, so I thought, you know, could be good for my bead stash. And here's another it's like green amber tone crystals. I think I have another one. Well, I think this kind of matches this all. It's pretty. And then this was really nice. It's like some parts of it coated, and it has like this really nice pattern on it. I thought this was really cute. But I think most of this I will use in stringing, because you have to be careful when you do bead weaving with this, because they tend to have sharp edges around the holes. So I don't know, I might manage something with it. And I think I got another one of those types, a bigger one here. It's like rose gold. It's really cute. So these were all £1 each, so I was, in the end, you know, I managed to buy some stuff and I was pretty happy in the end. But I think I just didn't have a good start, because I think I went with too many high expectations, because it was the first bead show I attended, and even the name show, I was expecting something like, you know, maybe presentation by some famous beaders or famous YouTubers, some innovative storage solutions, or maybe introduce some new beads, you know, to make it more interactive, where you can meet with people, sit down and talk. But it was basically a market. It was basically a big bead market. And then when I entered, I went all around looking for Nymo. I thought someone has to have it, but nope, nobody had it. And this is teal, really pretty teal. I have really nice teal Toho, so could combine something maybe with gold as well. Here's like a red, brownish. They looked really cute from afar, like, you know, they really sparkle. So I thought I need to have one of this. And then here, like gray. It's pretty. And then here's another blue, turquoise blue. It's like really cute. I think this 6 mm wide, 6 by 5 maybe. So I have to come up with designs to use this. And then here's another one of those coated with pattern, another teal. So cute. And then I just got one just like clear crystal with an AB finish, because I don't think I have this. I did one a pair of earrings with like this type of crystals, but it's not gonna come out yet. You'll see it later on. So I think it's pretty. And then here's a lavender with AB finish. I thought it's really cute. Shiny. And then here's pink, baby pink with AB finish. Just love it. I mean, there are so many stands with tons of crystals, and I was just looking, I want it all, but in the end you have to remember your budget. And this is like peach color. I just couldn't stop buying the sparkles. And then here's white with metallic colors, and I just thought, like, you know, I could do a necklace with it or something. So I got all these crystals. They were all £1 each except this one. This one I got for £5. And then there was one stand with a couple. They were selling a lot of Czech beads and, you know, a lot of in nice tubes, but I don't buy them in small tubes because I just buy them, you know, in factory packs. But I was going through their stash and found a small box with sales on them, and they had tiny spools of Nymo for 25p each. I was like, finally something I really like. So I went there, and they had only 2 colors on sale. So these are the ones, like I spent £3 on this all, so it's like 12 spools, and this was cream. I thought it will go really nice with my gold color beads because I use gold a lot, and then I use brown a lot, so I thought, you know, it's worth buying them. You don't come across usually spools of Nymo for 25p. And then going round and round, I went back again and bought more because I just thought, you know, I was thinking about it, and then, you know, if I can't get a big spool of Nymo, at least I can get this one. So I went to spend another £4. You know, I bought 8 spools of this cream color and 8 spools of this brown again. So £7 for all these Nymos, I thought it was a pretty good deal because, you know, if you add up, it kind of makes that big spool I wanted, but it's not gray. I wanted gray and I can't find it. I have these small spools of gray I always use. This one's, but that's all I have. I have a couple more spools of this left, but I wanted like a big spool, and you know, whenever I search online, they're all in States. You guys living in States, you have no idea you are living in beading paradise, because in UK it's just so hard to find anything. So if you guys living in UK know where to buy big spools of grey Nymo in size D and B, please let me know. I need them. So that's all I got, and in the end, you know, I didn't spend too much. I think I spent like maybe 30 or 40 pounds plus the entrance fees and plus the parking. So in the end, I didn't spend too much. I thought, you know, I'm gonna end up spending a lot, and I made sure I took cash with me, but I was hoping to buy some natural stones, but they were quite expensive. But in the end, I'm happy. I got a lot of crystals that you will see in upcoming tutorials. I have a lot of colors that I don't have. I bought a lot of rondelles that I don't have. I didn't make any tutorials using rondelles yet, so expect to see them in upcoming tutorials, and I thought these were pretty. I have this size fire polish crystals, so I didn't buy too much because I have quite a lot of it in amethyst colors, in black colors, black diamond, and so I didn't buy too many. I just really like these two colors and a lot of rondelles. So that's all I got, and in the last tutorial I made Edna ring, and I started receiving a lot of comments that people can't see with dark beads, and I will redo that tutorial, I promise. Sometime when I have time, I will redo it in the colors you can see. So if you're struggling, don't try, just wait until I remake it, and I will try to post it in a week or two. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you did. Leave your comments if you have any. I'll be happy to read them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.